Got the map lights. You can see I still got the factory lights in them. They're not that bright and they got the yellow tint to it. So at night they're visible but not that visible. So what I did is I ordered these lights off Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description.
Well, yeah, as y'all see, well, first let me go ahead and YouTube, what's good, man? Woo! Whatever it is that. YouTube, what's good, man? Hey, look, it's a new day, new video. I ain't gonna lie, I don't even know what the title of this video, because this is not all it's gonna be, but as y'all see what I'm trying to do right now, we do have a new kind of small little mod, small little quick engine mod, real quick. That's an engine, I'm burning. Small, quick little interior lighting mod. Dang, I cannot speak. But yeah, small little interior mod, because as y'all see, we gotta get rid of these little old little rusty orange headlights. So I ain't gonna lie, yo, I don't know how to do a whole lot of electrical stuff, so that's why I'm actually looking at a video to do this. I know it's pretty simple, but just so I'm not messing nothing up, I gotta go back and, you feel me, rewatch this whole video, and hopefully we can get, hopefully y'all can see me, hopefully we get it working properly and everything like that, you feel me? So stay tuned. I'm gonna just go ahead and I ain't gonna bore y'all by watching the video, but as I go through the little process, I'll probably pick the camera up and start doing it with y'all, telling y'all how to do it, just in case y'all want to be entertained and also know how to do it, you feel me? But without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, and get straight to this video, man.
Once we reach 500 subscribers,
Chat.
I'm gonna go ahead and pick
I ain't gonna lie,
subscribers.
it ain't even gonna be a fully complete finish, cause I don't know if y'all see these little pod lights or whatever, but you gotta literally go through this actual headliner to get to this. And you gotta do a couple wirings for this little one, because you see how these are different. This one is for up there, and then this one is for right here. But you gotta do like a whole bunch of, not even a whole bunch, but you just gotta do some wiring. And that ain't me, bro. But let's go ahead and let that play. But basically what y'all gotta do, and I'm still kind of struggling with this right now, what you gotta do is you gotta use one of these, and literally all you gotta do is, I be using this side, and literally just like go into the little crevice. I already did it, but just go into the little crevice and kind of like just try to pry it down. The only problem I got right now is that this little part right here, hold on, let me pause this. This little part right here, bro, is stuck. So y'all might see this, y'all might not. I don't know. I don't really know, chat. We gonna see, man. We gonna see if y'all see this part. Y'all gonna fall. Damn, why y'all falling on me, bro? Ooh. Chat, I might have just broke it.
Nigga, what?
I'm burnt. Damn, the seat's still kind of hot. Yo, if I break this jump, bro, don't listen to me. But it looks like, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, looks like I might be straight. Oh. Nah, I think I actually broke it, yo. These joints look is still hot. Hold on, give it like 5 minutes, yo. And we gonna come back. Hopefully I did not break this. It kind of looked like I broke it, but yeah, we gonna see, man. We gonna see. I'll come back to y'all in like 5 minutes.
2 hours later.
All right, Tat, we back, man. It's finally cold. All right, now what y'all want to do after y'all done took off this little piece? I ain't gonna lie, I think I broke one of these, but we gonna keep that in it. After you take off that, I think you gotta, I don't know what he did. You gotta move that piece. Man, what he do?
One side done. As you can see, I already been kind of fiddling with it. The back parts are actually
Say, ooh. I didn't want. So, yo, what y'all want to do is grab this joint like this, like on the end of it, push it like that. Kind of sound like it just broke. I ain't gonna lie, and then just pull that joint off. You hear me? I ain't gonna lie. Yo, I think I'm just breaking everything. I ain't gonna cap. Oh yeah, all right. So y'all see how it's latched on? Somehow, some way, we better get them latches off of that joint. All right. Damn, Chet. Oh, never mind. This joint got three little holes. We good. We Gucci. We Gucci in the hood. Hood. I ain't hood, yo. Just let y'all know that I am not hood. Born and raised in an urban area. All right, so we just got both bulbs out. What I'm saying? Just got both bulbs out. Let me just make sure this don't go back to how it was. You wanna make sure them little heat jumps there. Now we're going back to this. Buy stamp. Any mod I have, I feel like I be taking these things to like thinking they easy. No, I know they easy. It's just this on simple, yo. And literally all y'all do, look. All y'all do is this little piece. You just latch these little things, these little clips, whatever. You just latch them on the ends of these things. Chat, I think I done broke this whole. All right, well, don't do it how I did it. Try to. Hold on, no, I think this one. Does it work? Okay, so that one come on. All right, well, don't do it how I did it. Y'all want to be careful, because me, I definitely was not careful, and I definitely... Okay, so that one comes on with ease. It's just this one, I kind of opened it up too much.
What do you mean by that?
All right, well, we got one of them on, so that's positive. Chat, we was on a good roll. I just need to get this last joint on here. Bam! Look. Bam, y'all. Got them joints on there. What does nigga say? See, look at this nigga, bro. He always raging, y'all. Tell this nigga stop raging, bro. Can literally hear this nigga down in the basement. But we got them joints on, and I don't have to really explain to y'all how to put these joints back in. I don't think. Shoot, I don't even know myself. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Hold up. Chat, should I try to wing it myself, or should I actually try to? We just gonna pray and hope these joints work, right? We gonna pray to hope these joints work, right, chat? Good. I don't know. Woo! Yo, that is bright, y'all. Hey, that is bright as yo. That is bright, gang. God damn. Damn, I need to clean this damn mirror. Damn, yo, I need to clean this mirror. Damn. Yo, I'm literally just letting this joint like play through, because I don't know. I wonder if, can I just do it like that, or would it burn up? Yo, I don't know if it's gonna burn up if I just leave it like that or what. So I'm trying to put it back to how it was, but like, this joint is not cooperating with me. Bruh. Can I just leave it like that? Nah. I ain't gonna do that. I gotta show y'all an example. I gotta set an example for y'all. We gonna go old school with the phone. And don't pay, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, don't pay nobody to do this for you. I mean, might get somebody to do this, but if they try to like, oh, it's, nah, bro. You got it, coach. Just keep with them little yellow lights, I guess. But realistically, everything's on YouTube, y'all. You can literally find everything on YouTube. My only thing is, I'm trying to figure out why in the world This joint don't want to go back on. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. The only thing I'm lost on, y'all, is if I had to put these little things back in there. I don't know, though. And then what makes it crazier, y'all, is I think there's lights. Hold up. Yeah, there's lights at the bottom that I gotta do. Thought this probably was gonna be short to edit, but to y'all it's gonna be short because it's literally gonna be like a minute or so. But to me, y'all, it's already been like a 15-minute segment. Why? I don't know, bro. Y'all asking the wrong person. Ask your mama. Sorry, no, let me stop. Y'all book me for y'all next appointment. Any mod y'all need. Any lighting mod y'all need, bro. But don't expect no don't expect a 24-hour turnover, and don't expect it to be not broken. Sorry. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm about to leave it like this. I probably shouldn't though. But this is, it's making me mad. It's making me mad. The only thing I'm gonna hate, y'all, is that when I'm recording videos, this is gonna show as yellow and these are gonna be white. That's the only thing I'm gonna hate. I'm just lost if I gotta put this back, because if I gotta put this back in order to, you hear me, then we might be screwed, y'all. Whenever I'm done, y'all, and I realize what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the camera back on, all right? But right now, I don't know. By the way, this joint has been 31 minutes. Y'all see it, Nick. Y'all see it. I done got both of them joints in there, you hear me? And they fully functional, just in case y'all want to sit here and be weird. Let me do that. Let me do this. Y'all see that? Fully functional. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. But y'all, those are joints is fully functional. But the only thing that's gonna throw me off is these lights right here. But I ain't gonna lie. Hey, this look hard. Yo, like with the white light with the stars. I know at night, that joint look crazy. Oh, and also, I just got off of work, so don't mind nothing, right? Still got on the work pants and everything. But this joint look crazy. But all I had to do is just clip it. And, of course, as y'all see, I left these joints out. I don't know if you're supposed to keep them in. I left them out, and I'm probably just going to keep the box just in case. Because, yo, I just lost this bowl. I don't know how. Oh, it's right there. Never mind. Realistically, bro, this video just made into its own video. Or this segment just made into its own video. I ain't even gonna lie. But we finally finished, y'all. I don't think it took us that long. I ain't gonna cap. It might have. Definitely might have. I don't think it did, though. But I'm gonna keep these just in case. And this weekend, I don't know what we got going on. I don't know what's in store for this video. I don't even know what I'm gonna title this video at all, actually. But whatever we do, we gonna do, you feel me? And without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and catch y'all in the next clip. I don't know when that's gonna be. Hopefully that's tomorrow or Sunday. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all niggas later.
One eternity later.
Alright, man. Look, I ain't gonna cap to y'all. It's about to rain. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's definitely about to rain. I probably should have done this earlier. But guess we about to just be cutting up. Well, let me not even say cutting up, but just making a whole lot of noise. I really don't know what this video is gonna consist of, because as I told y'all in the clip before, like, we might have something set up, we might not, I don't know. But I guess we just gonna do making noise in the burbs. Let's say that. We're just making a whole lot of noise in the burbs, man. Hopefully I can beat this or make this video before it starts raining. Like, actually give y'all like a little bit of couple pulls and stuff. Look, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's either gonna be a video where y'all go get like a POV like this. I might put the POV in this. Or y'all just gonna get a video of me just trying to do a little thing. I don't know. We just gonna, I guess we just gonna see how everything plays out. Cause like I said, right now it's supposed to rain. I probably should have done this video a little earlier, but they get it mad. I ain't gonna lie, I feel bad because I probably shouldn't even be making video over here. Cause a lot of you, they be peaceful as hell. I probably should be making video over here. Chad, we just gonna find someplace, somewhere, some way. We gonna find a spot, either that or I don't know, y'all. Chad, I really like when I tell y'all, I really don't even know what I'm gonna be labeling this, cause like y'all gonna look at this video and be like, bro, that nigga boring, bro. But it's like, gang, I'm just trying to get content out for y'all. Like, there's only so much I can do. Like, I could keep doing POVs and stuff, but like, I feel like there's only so much I can do. If that makes it, I don't know if y'all niggas understand what I'm trying to say. Like, like I can talk to y'all niggas. Hold on, my fault. We just gonna do this, y'all. Cause I don't even want to hit the highway, so I guess we just gonna. Oh snap. What? Oh, I'm burnt. I don't know. I feel like the whole video is probably really only gonna consist of like me doing the stuff with the light. Cause other than that, I really don't know like what niggas want. That's what I was trying to say. There's only so much I can do like by myself. Like a lot of people, they do like content with other people and stuff. But I ain't gonna lie, next weekend we might be doing some content with some other niggas out in Richmond and stuff. But go ahead. So I feel like I show y'all this car every day. Every video I feel like I show y'all this car, but it's like why pass up on this? Feel me? I'm sorry y'all if I like put some BS in here, but I mean it is what it is. I mean even that other video with me doing what did I do last video? Oh, the little 12 AM as a content creator, like gang, that was like off Dolo stuff. Like, I mean, what y'all niggas want me to do? You hear me? Like, y'all niggas know what I'm trying to talk about. Like, damn, let me go inside this. Plus, I know a lot of people, they don't even hear me yet. Like, I know a lot of niggas, y'all want me to do all these, like, POV and stuff. Like, I'm trying to do POVs for y'all, but I feel like, I know y'all see that white light, though. I know y'all see that white light. But, like, when I want to do these, it's like, it's about to start raining. Oh, I think it's about to start raining, y'all. I'm about to wrap it up. But, like, I'm trying to do these POVs for y'all, but I can only do it for a certain extent. Like, I understand, like, y'all niggas want to see niggas just driving reckless and all that, yada, yada. But y'all niggas gotta understand, bro, if I get, like, all these tickets and stuff, that junk goes right back to my family. And my family, they work in a higher position that, you feel me, where I gotta be careful on what I'm doing, what I'm saying, what I'm posting. But, hey, man, I guess what you gonna see. Damn, I cannot speak. This video, it wasn't like too much. It was just more just doing the little white lights. You know, I guess if niggas want to learn how to do these white lights, you know, just show you how to do it. But I'm going to go ahead and end the video off because it's definitely about to rain. So without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications on, man. And we out of here.